that'll be the problem. We've got a tree down here, damn it. We got so much rain and then a windstorm. Yeah, it's just slipped right down there. Be good firewood anyway. It's that Black Beach, I think. Alright, we can get through there now, so I'll clean that root ball up next time the excavator is down here. So it's going to be a couple of ton. While I was fixing my power, the neighbours have got stuck in and fixed this culvert. We put a bigger culvert in next to the old one, so that's handling it a lot better now. This one here, it's going to probably wash out in the next big flood. Doesn't take much to block them up. Yeah, that looks a lot better now. That should handle a lot more water. That's looking good. Culvert's nice and clear now. And yeah, plenty of room there. This all came from a slip about 100 metres up the gully there. We're just pretty lucky that that culvert didn't blow out. Would have been a big job. Quite a bit of nice gravel in there actually, we could probably use on the track. Doesn't look that muddy. What's he done over this side? Oh, he hasn't even built that side up at all. I would have thought he would have built that up, because that's eroded a couple of metres in. Maybe he was scared of dumping fill in the waterway. Got to be pretty careful these days. Never mind. Anyway, as long as we keep this clear, that should be okay now. Because of all the rain, there's been a lot of rocks and gravel washed down. All the ditches have been filled with this gravel, so there's not a lot of soil in there, so it should be pretty good to spread on the road. So I'll make my way down with the tractor and pick up this stuff wherever I see it, and I'll just spread it on the sections of road where it's sort of washed out, because you can see down here there's the odd rut, and it's down to bedrock in places. It is quite bumpy, so if I can use what's been washed down, just spread it over the worst patches. Wow, another slip there. That's quite a big slip actually. There's an old track going up there. It's all pretty overgrown, but that's where that slip has come from. That should be okay to use for the road actually. Possibly a bit muddier here, so I'll just throw that over the edge, but I think the bulk of that is okay to use for the road. That'll be the problem. That pipe is supposed to be up there, so that's been washed out. So I'll have to lengthen that, take it up further. Right, that'll keep it going till the stream drops again, and then I can do a proper intake. Go and check the turbine now. So that's flushed out all the gravel. So there's quite a bit of gravel on the pipe there. So I'll put the jet on and see what happens.